Alright, so I'm gonna do another reaction. So this is gonna be a reaction to This Bird is Evil by Glich'e Gaming. So let's get into this.
Garden of Bonbon, Ban. Now I know that there's a sequel and a trequel, and now there's going to be a forquel. The reviews on Steam are not very solid. One of the things
Put it there.
Is can't
There we go.
Impregnate Jumbo Josh. I don't know who Jumbo Josh is as of this moment, but
I don't know who that is either.
This game made my little. Alright, so. And it's supposed to launch. It's not launching. Whoa! Did I just get ransomware? Give us your money.
Excuse you.
Alright. Can you all feel the fun? I can feel the fun. The fun is coming.
Oh, I can definitely feel the fun.
Cafeteria! Cafeteria! Wait, they serving today vegetables to first become strong. Gross. Vegetables? Gross. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people.
Does it really?
Do what?
I don't think we want to know.
Wow. Oh. Cool. Yo! An influencer drone!
Mr. Beast.
Batteries. Now, because children play this, I want you all to know that... Oh, holy crap, I have to finish this thought. Don't eat batteries, or else you become this. Not this, this.
Okay.
And then you die. Huh? But this wasn't here before. Somebody just placing batteries here? Oh my god. So, is this like my AI companion throughout the game?
Probably.
Do I call it something? What do I call you? Droney? No. No, good. Dear God. Okay, so far, so great. Am I disturbing your
Well, that's
slumber?
interesting.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm getting my bearings in this place. I don't even know how I ended up here. You got some red eyes going on there. You high or something? What, does this place fail business-wise or what? Bonbon says, sharing is caring, your pancreas is mine. It says over here, the end is here. And it says, there's a naughty corner.
My pancreas
here,
belongs to me and me only.
With. This is glass? I can't even tell this is glass. This is like giving you the perception of a bird. Alright, cool. Sweet. Oh. Well, I mean...
An indoor playground.
Fun. Oh, here.
It does look pretty fun.
Here's that guy. He's sleeping.
Excuse you.
Hopefully my sneeze didn't wake him up. As
Actually,
we all know,
it's bless you.
4D experience. They can hear everything. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials, such as yellow glass. Okay, so like this. That is like a pea yellow. What the fuck? Looks
It's
like I'm looking
puke
at
yellow.
actual pea water. As you can tell, this is set in 1990 something, as all of these games do. Ooga booga, booga ooga. What is this? Is this a little racist? Captain Fiddles.
I don't know.
Where's the eggs? Show me where the eggs are. Where's the eggs?
Where's them gosh darn eggs?
These buttons kind of sound like
The
Linkin
flip.
Park. You see what I mean? Crawling! Alright. You're stupid. That way. That one. Don't talk back to me. You do your thing.
Do your flippin' job, drone.
He's aching for those eggs. Here we go. bro eat a subwoofer? Sometimes I wish you sounded like this. Well, I gave you all the eggs. Now, I can claim my reward.
At the mouth.
Oh, thank you.
I think he's gonna eat. What is that?
Thank
I'm
you.
almost imagining. I was honestly thinking what would happen is you just stick your mouth in there, and the bird just bites your hand.
I will see you in hell. Alright, bye-bye. Oh, I have a hammer. Distraction at 1 second. Huh. No. What is this about, huh? It's a mattress that I sit on, I guess. Okay, now I'm a little nervous. What if the birdie climbs up? And Mr. Hentai Instigator is orange. He's orange. That sounded like the start of the FNAF music, where it goes. I want to play.
I'm
with
assuming
the
he's talking
whole
about the
way.
music when the
Bird, but
lights go
everyone
out.
left me. Shapey. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason, see me but go. I'm scared. Ah!
There goes that.
Why?
Well, obviously it was that bird.
H who? Press E to reincarnate. I've been reincarnated. What about that bird? What the bird doing there? What the bird doing? He's not gonna. Hey, what's up, buddy? I don't got no weed for you, boy. Hey, bro. Give me some time. Give me some time to think. All right, give me some time to think, okay? Hold on, just a second.
Give me some time,
I don't got no
birdie.
weed for you, bro.
Come on,
you.
man.
By the way, I lied about that.
That birdie got owned.
Oh, wait,
I hope the
man,
camera was able to pick this up because
I'm a weed.
unfortunately I use my phone, which is a Samsung, and unfortunately the flippin' unfortunately whenever I'm recording like flipping like a game that includes like a dark whenever I'm recording the game or reacting to a video and there's like a dark area in that game or that video, the screen will just brighten up and stuff, and it just won't get to the exact what I want the computer to what the flip whatever. You know what I mean.
Class E.
And my laptop needs charge too.
13. What is this? It is a boarding pass. I gotta scan this QR code. Does it work? Does it work? Does the QR code work? That I actually want to know. It's a. Wait, it actually. It works!
Wow.
What does this button do? I press. And. Whoa, Batcave! This is pretty cool. What
It's
do you
the
think,
Batcave.
Tony? I know, me too. Hey, Mommy told me I'm not supposed to trust strangers. Okay, well... I got a gun! I got a gun on me! Don't make me pull it out! Oh, shoot! You know I will! I'll do it!
Oh boy. I think you're dead.
Well, I didn't have a gun on me, but... Actually, I don't know what I'd do. Oh. What are my thoughts on this game? Well, game design is non-existent. Things just teleport and happen. The game is obviously very terrible looking. I like the bird. And,
That darn bird.
I don't know. Should I get the sequel? Hashtag get the sequel in the comments down below.
You should get the sequel, dude. I don't really know anything about it. I never really heard of this game until just now. So, yeah, alright, well, that's it for my reaction to This Bird is Evil by Glich'e Gaming, so, hope y'all enjoyed that reaction. Link to the original video in the description below if you like to check it out, and I'll see you guys next time.